Okay, we have few file handling modes that we want to cover in this video. Okay, so we have seen how to use the read mode. Okay, so the next one we can we can see is the write mode. Okay, so the write mode is used to write something into the existing file. Okay, so let's let's try that. So I will just comment it, and I'll say file again. The process is same. Open the file, do some operation, and then close that file. Okay, so again we will first open the file, and the file name is example.txt, and now we want to write something inside a file. Okay, so I'll just provide w here. W is for write mode. Okay, so what I want to write here. Okay, so to read the file we used read function, right? Read function on the file object. Now we have a file object and we want to write something, right? So that's why we have a write function. Write is also a Python's inbuilt function. Now I will write, this is a line written by program. Okay, so this is a line written by program. All right, so now I'm done with the writing something into a file, and then last thing I have to do is I should close the file. Right, very simple. Okay, now if you look at this example.txt, we have like 2 lines of code, right? So now if I run this, I am expecting this line to go here. Okay, somewhere in the next line. All right, let's see what happens. Okay, so the looks like the program has executed. Let's open this. Okay, one thing we noticed here is that this write mode just deleted the existing content and added the new content. Okay, so that's how write function works. I got confused. I was I was expecting this line to be on a next line, but that's okay. For that we have another mode, append mode. Okay, so I'm using w mode here. W mode will actually rewrites the whole file. All right, so this is about w mode. This will this overwrites the existing content. All right, so we had some content here, but it just overwritten the existing content. Okay, all right, so this one is for the write mode, and we will see another mode which is append mode. Okay, so I will write mode. This is w, and this one is read mode. R. Okay, so now we have another mode which is the append mode. So this append mode is actually A. Okay, so this append mode will actually add one more line to the existing file. Okay, one like you can append the content using this mode. All right, let's say file is equal to open. First open the file, and then example.txt, and the mode will give is A, and file.write. Okay, this one will also come with file.write. Okay, so here I will write this text will be appended. Okay, this text will be appended, and let's let's say file.close. Okay, let's close the file. Now one thing you have to remember here, like if you do like this, what is going to happen? This text will simply append here. Okay, it will do like this. This text something will come like this. Okay, but if you don't want that, then you can then you can simply give one line here. Okay, let's see what happens if you don't give the extra new line. Let's try the code. Okay, and you see this text will be appended, has has appended to this existing content. So that's why I said we need to provide one new line, and that is a backward slash and n. Now if I run it, and you see this is coming here. Okay, this one was appended when we ran the code previously. Okay, so that's how you use the append mode. And we also have X mode. X mode means exclusive creation mode. Okay, so we will see that exclusive mode right now. Let's comment it. And exclusive creation mode. We use X here. So what this will do is this will actually try to create a new file. Okay, so that's why it is exclusively for creating a new file. Okay, if the file already exists, okay, if the file that we are trying to create already exists, then it will raise an error, file exists error. Okay, so we will try that. So for using X mode, we have to use try and except block, because we also want to handle the error, right? So that's why. So let's say try file is equal to open, let's say example.txt. Okay, let's example.txt and X. Now what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to create example.txt, but the problem is example.txt is already exist. It has to give me the error. Okay, now let's say file.write. So say this will only write, if the file does not exist. Okay, if the file does not exist. Once I'm done, I'll say file.close. Now to handle the error gracefully, we have to handle this file exist error. Okay, so I'll simply print this file already exists. Okay, file already exists. So again, I'll explain you. I'm using try and except here because I want to catch an error if the file I am trying to create exists. Okay, why? Because I'm using X mode, exclusive creation mode. Okay, so this X mode is only for creating the new files. Okay, let's try this. I'm expecting error now because example.txt already exists, right? Okay, you see file already exists. Okay, so now if I rename this file example x.txt, then you see there is no error, and this new example.txt, I mean example x.txt is created. And after the file has created, it has it has also returned this file only this content. Let's see if that exists or not. Yeah, you see here this content has been written into this txt file. Okay, so that's how this X mode works.